and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyer to pay for inspections. But when would it be advantageous for a seller to pay for these prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing could be helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Patty Hardy with Sheridan Realty here at beautiful Canyon Lake. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. So let's say, for example, that you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit, and they needed to be replaced. Well, you could do a few things. You could sell the home as is and disclose all the issues. You can not sell it at all, or you can take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of the home. The inspections that are recommended prior to listing, if you have inspections done, are the standard customary inspections that a buyer would normally do once the house is under contract. So the recommendations would be a home inspection, possibly a roof inspection, maybe a termite inspection. In regards to the home inspection and termite, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all of the health and safety items are fixed. These are very common requests that buyers have. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net a certain amount in what they thought they were going to get when going into escrow, rather than paying all this money for the additional repairs later. It gives them a peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection time. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is move-in ready condition. Also, if there's bank financing on the property, some loan programs require lender-required repairs to be completed prior to closing escrow on the home. So, with that already being completed, there is further assurance that the loan will go through to closing. So, to wrap it up, the seller, the buyer, the lender, everyone is more confident throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe during and after the close of escrow. If you have any questions about inspections, reach out. I'd be happy to recommend some great local inspectors in the Canyon Lake market. Give me a call, 210-313-1010. It's Patty Hardy here at Canyon Lake, and I am happy to help. Talk to you soon. Thanks.